Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here from Mr. Topstep with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, we're about 5 minutes post-jobs, and we were positive 114,000 this month. The unemployment rate dropped to 7.8%, but I think the spike that you see there has a lot more to do with the revisions, especially the revision for August, of 96 all the way up to 181,000. So, I think the revisions are what we're rallying on more than anything else. Now that said, okay, I always talk about when jobs come out, there's a range. Well, there's your range. On the upside is 1464. That's very well defined. I would say on the downside is going to be a test of the Globex lows, so probably 1454. So we're in a 10, essentially a 10 handle bracket. And, we're just going to have to see how it goes. You can see they're kind of fading it now. And that's because, at 114, we're up 32 handles since Monday. Okay? 32 handles since Monday. And let's take a look at the daily. Here's your daily. It's not quite a punch on the daily, but it's fairly close. So the reality is, we're up. You do this. Okay. Here's Monday. Okay? 24s. Now, with a couple of fits and starts along the way, we basically walked it up between the debate and the jobs report 40 handles, 24 to 64, in the course of a week. So you have to look at this from the perspective of, the big money that actually runs this stuff and needs to take some profits. If you're up 40 handles and you're sitting there on a Friday afternoon, you're going to think about some profit taking. So I fully expect some profit taking today. I fully expect that 1454 level to get tested today. That said, we're in a fairly bullish situation now on the daily chart. You see this triangle area we broke out of. I was telling my members last night, a breakout like this, typically the breakout area is tested, and that would come in around 1448. So don't be too surprised if we push down there. Now, if we do push down, understand what's happening, and if we get a bounce off of that level, know that you can get long there with a fairly tight stop and have a fairly low risk, potentially high reward long trade into next week. So that's pretty much where we stand. So Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader from Mr. Topstep. Trading well, everybody. Have a fantastic weekend, and we will talk on Monday.